Hey guys, welcome to this channel. I'm going to show you how to generate 100 short YouTube videos, Instagram Reels or TikTok only using AI in an hour, and it only requires you to do copy and paste, which takes you 10 seconds for every short video. So we're going to be using ChatGPT to generate ideas, maybe fictional ideas that are around AI stories, educational content and so on, and then we'll use Snappy AI to generate the shorts. So Snappy AI generates really good shorts, and I'm going to show you an example of a short that I generated. It did pretty well on YouTube, so I'm just going to show it to you in a second. Alright, so this is the short. I'm not obviously going to be running through the entire shot, but let's just quickly take a look at the preview of what it generated from this prompt. So you can see it's literally just this much, and it generated something like this.
What if there was a hidden world beneath our feet? Our feline friend investigates something out of the ordinary. It discovers a parallel universe.
It's a really good tool. Now we're going to be feeding this prompt in ChatGPT to generate 50 topic ideas. Now if you post one short every day, that means you have content for next 50 days now, which is crazy, right? So this is the prompt we'll feed, and obviously you can reuse the prompt to generate another set of 50 ideas, or maybe you can just change the category. Now what we will be focusing on, let me just walk you through the prompt. So I'll just give some details with respect to what goes viral, and stories can be around what, and how long are these shorts, and then what things we need AI to give us, and then what format we need these in, right? So, and the category we want to take is fictional AI stories that people want to learn about. Let's say what happens when you land on moon for the first time without a spacesuit. Just fictional stories that we'd want to generate, right? So once you feed this prompt in ChatGPT, GPT will get to work with this. It will take a look at these details. I'm using GPT-4, but if you have GPT 3.5, feel free to kind of use that as well. It's now generating some Python script because I'm using the code interpreter, which typically would first write code and then give you the final output. So let's just quickly take a look at some of the ideas. Swimming in an ocean of jelly, spark imagination. Jellyfish have been around over 500 million years, so that's some extra knowledge. What if trees gave free Wi-Fi, which is really interesting. Stir societal reflection. Trees produce oxygen vital for human survival. We'll go ahead and generate some very cool fictional ideas for you, which you can then use and feed to Snappy AI to generate content for yourself. Now it stopped at around, I think, 10 ideas. We'll just tell it to generate 50 ideas in a tabular format. So it's now generating a list of 50 ideas. We're just going to take the first one here, first date with an alien, and we're going to be feeding that to Snappy AI. Why are we generating this? We're exploring cross species communication, and some extra details that 100 billion planets in our galaxy may host life. I'm just gonna add my handle name here in order to ensure that I have this kind of watermark on the image. And for voice, you can go ahead and select whichever you'd like.
Thank you for using Snappy.
Like this one, so I'm going to keep that one. For caption style, we're going to be choosing the second one, and you can just go ahead and click on generate content. It takes approximately 3 to 4 minutes to generate the whole short for you. So let me just wait for it to generate, and then I'll walk you through how it works. It does not really take the entire 5 minutes. Alright, so it kind of took me around 3 minutes to generate this video, and here we go. This was the prompt that we had added. Alright, let's just quickly watch the generation now. It's around 25 seconds, and you can see there's a watermark with my name here. So let's just play this.
What if you went on a date with an alien? They traveled billions of light years to meet you. Their language may be different, but love has no borders. Together, exploring the mysteries of the universe. Finding joy in the differences that connect us. Distance may separate us, but a bond can transcend
Yeah, I think this looks pretty cool. The images look great as well. The content is great.
To cherish. What do you think about this
face,
extraordinary encounter?
And it ends with a question, which is what a lot of shorts do. So now imagine that this was just one of these shorts, right? Now there are around 50 ideas here. If you were to take each idea, feed this here, within a matter of 3 seconds, you'd have content that you'd want to paste on a specific day, which is insane. You can basically start a channel with hypothetical AI ideas like these, and people love this sort of content. And it took me around 5 credits to generate this short, and you get around, I think, some starting credits when you start on the platform. So really cool, guys. Like if you're considering starting a faceless YouTube channel, maybe you just want to advertise your products more. For example, you want to create advertisement for your brand. They also have this option to add your brand name. You can basically add either your handle or website URL here, and you can generate social media communication or advertisements for your product every day. So really cool. I am really excited to try this out more. You've been noticing I've been posting some shorts on these lines on my channel, and they're getting around 100, 200 views, which is not so bad with some likes, right? Which is similar to or maybe better than what I get on my other shorts content. So consider trying this tool out. And if you have any questions, feel free to kind of get in touch with me in the comments. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good day.